Yo guys,
We're clear.
on the Zebra.
Welcome to Screamweaver. For your own safety, we ask that you keep your arms and legs in your own cart at all times with your feet flat on the floor. Secure any loose articles for not responsible if they are lost or damaged while riding. Thank you and enjoy your ride at Screamweaver.
That's what it is.
Exit clear. All clear. Enjoy your ride here at Screamweaver.
Screamweaver, whatever you call it.
Please go around. Do not go over the handrails. Thank you.
Yeah, my friend had to go around. Oh my god. Oh,
Please finish
I'm trying not to drop this. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Please do not go over the rails.
Oh shit. Oh my god. They're popping.
Welcome back to the screen. Please remain seated until your ride comes to
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording so much. They all
lift up on your
video
bike
gates,
located above you.
and I don't want to get caught recording, so I'll see you guys later.
Enjoy the rest of your day here.